Let's begin with scheduling. A quick note before we start. If you haven't watched our Getting Started video on setting up job positions, capacity, and shift templates, please do that first, as this video builds directly on those foundations. Let's start with a quick tour of the interface. On the left, you see your list of available contacts. In the center, the Open Shifts row clearly shows how many shifts need to be assigned for each day. At the top, you have flexible viewing options. You can switch between week or month view, navigate to the previous or next week, or jump to a specific date using the calendar. On the right, you'll find key actions like filtering by position, copying shifts from the previous week, sending out shift invites, or deleting shifts for the selected period. Now, let's assign our first open shift. We'll click on Monday's open shift slot. A window appears where we first select the position, in this case, developer. Notice that the system automatically populates the details using the shift template we created earlier. This saves us time and ensures consistency. All we need to do is select a contact from the list, review the pre-filled details, and click Save. Perfect. The open shift is now filled, and you can see the shift is assigned on Monday. We can also see the total hours this staff member is scheduled for this week, along with the associated cost. The shift block clearly shows the time and position. Also, take note of the icon in the bottom right corner. A clock icon represents a standard shift, while a moon icon would indicate an out-of-hours or night shift. For more control, click the Dot menu on any shift. This drop-down gives you options for More Details, Edit Shift, Send Invite, or Delete Shift. Let's click More Details. This brings up a comprehensive view of the shift, including all tasks, notes, and breaks. You can even make edits directly from this window. What if you need to add a new shift outside of the pre-planned open shifts? For an emergency or last-minute change, it's simple. Just hover over the date and staff members row where you want to add the shift and click the Add Shift button that appears. We highly recommend using a shift template here as well to speed up the process. We'll select a template and click Save Shift. Finally, let's look ahead to a busier week. As you can see, the interface scales beautifully, allowing you to manage a complex, full schedule with the same ease. And that's it. You're now ready to master your scheduling with On Call Select.